Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, August 31st, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having cinnamon roll and sausage. For lunch, should be sloppy joe. Announcements. Attendance. Teachers, you should all have a working attendance page in your homeroom course of Schoology. Please try to submit your attendance in Schoology. If there are students that are not listed on that roster, please keep documentation of their attendance. Today's late duty is Miss Curd. Important dates. September 3rd, we have Vector training certificates are due to Nurse Eaton. That's online training. September 6th, we have Labor Day, no school. Diagnostic schedule. You should have already completed your iReady reading. We will begin immediately the iReady math. And we will finish this week with HMH growth measure. Some of your students may not have login credentials yet. We are well aware of that. Have all students that can complete the diagnostic on schedule. We will accommodate those who can't currently log in as soon as those logins become available. The word of the day is attribute. An attribute is a characteristic of an object such as a color, a shape, a size, etc. So an attribute of this shape is that it's a triangle, it is pink, it is large. All those are attributes. That's all for today's news. Shepherd Scholars, have a terrific Tuesday.